Hi, this is Dan Swanson with Fishful Thinker. If you want to learn more about how to use your electronics, this is the perfect time to do it. The boat's out of the water. You might as well take the unit in the house and hook it up to a power source, or even sit in the boat if you've got a nice garage you can sit in. Get out the manual, put the unit on simulator, and go through the manual page by page. By the end of the winter, you're going to know how to use the unit. You're going to know all the features inside and out. If you want to learn even more about how to read the unit, come see me at the Denver International Sportsmen's Expo at the Denver Convention Center. I'll be there on January 13th and 14th doing 2 seminars each day on fishing electronics. See you there.